Here we have the REXMEO Showerhead High Pressure with Handheld. 12 settings. Water saving showerhead with hose, stop mode button, adjustable bracket, flow regulator, and a chrome finish. This is the first time I have this stop button feature in the showerhead, and it's good to pause the flow of water from time to time to do certain things, like when you need to shampoo or shave. It allows you to instantly restore and use at the preset temperature. It has a high pressure adjustable water flow with anti-clog nozzle. It offers powerful spray ideal for low pressure areas. To save water, you can attach the included flow restrictor to limit the water flow rate to 1.8 gallons per minute. The bigger handheld showerhead ensures wider spray for drenching full coverage. What's pretty cool is 11 unique adjustable spray patterns. With just a slide of the button, you could get access to 11 spray patterns via a rotatable lever. Have massage, mist, narrow rain, bubble oxygenation, cross spray, and wide rain, and 5 mixed spray patterns including wide rain and narrow rain. It has a diverse of spray patterns to satisfy every member of the household. Easy to install, it includes all necessary accessories from the Teflon tape, the 2 extra washers that are tied to the hose. You could almost do it tool free, but you may need a wrench. I never had a rain shower head like this before, and I kind of enjoyed it. So this one's a keeper for me, and you should check this out yourself.